A PA car, a post-apocalyptic car, is something that could possibly be used in the event that the world comes to an end, and now you have to survive.
A lot of these cars are made in people's garages at home on a low budget, and they scavenge parts from wrecks they find, and everything is kind of handmade, and these cars take a lot of time.
We took stuff that we found in the desert and we made the car. And our whole idea was to do it with no money.
A creation like this can take anywhere from a couple of weeks to a couple of years, depending on research and development.
If the end of the world is tomorrow, I got the right car.
Wasteland means a vision of a world after the civilization we have now.
Why haven't we heard of this before?
The spirit of Wasteland Weekend is sort of a celebration of the apocalypse.
It's a freedom event.
Wasteland Weekend is probably the one biggest thing in my life that I look for every year, to go enjoy and be part of.